So in this performance test, we were supposed to find the different angles.
We were like trying to use the parallel lines to match the corresponding angles.
Using lots of vocabulary words like vertical angles, linear pairs, corresponding, all that stuff.
The main idea is to find the angle, not to know which angle it is.
We were given some shape with lines. So like this, we got some parallel lines and some lines that were crossing. And we were given some angles while we weren't given some angles. Like this was given an angle, but this one over here wasn't a given angle. So we had to find out how many missing angles we could find using strategies and vocabulary words and like vertical angles, corresponding angles, alternate interior, exterior angles.
For the first one, we already had angle 12, which was 110 degrees. So, we just went from there finding vertical angles and, linear pairs to find all the other angles. And we would also have this triangle, so we would have to make it equal 180 degrees. And we would find all the other angles around it.
That wasn't the only part. The next part we had to do was, when we find the missing angles, we had to write out how we found our missing angles. Like given angle 12 equals 110, I found that angle 7 is 110 degrees by vertical angles and congruency. This being like one big question that you would have to do, while the multiple choice questions are just like little minor questions, because this just feels like a big major question. It's one of those questions we have to do a lot of work to figure it out, and then the minor questions is just read something, you type something in, you get the answer, and you copy the answer.
That's how I learn. I live with teachers, so that's how I'm learning, and it's easier for me to understand that way.
But this one you have to actually work through it to find your answers.
Do more work and use vocabulary words to describe your answer.
Just memorizing something isn't gonna get you basically through life. You have to learn it and you have to get through it to understand what's going on. I've done better than I have been usually in the past year.
I feel like calculator, you just plug in something in the calculator, like something times that equals something like that, and dividing it by something that's just using the calculator. But these is kind of a more specific way when you figure out with using vocabulary words.
So now, when I first got my first test, I got a 90 on it, and I was like, what's going on? But now I'm more excited to be in math class than I used to be.